Hello everyone, myself Anju Chopra. Welcome in the maths class, standard 4. Today's chapter is chapter number 7, that is division. Today we'll do the story sums of division. Let's start with the story sums. When we are doing the story sums or the word sums, we have to write the solution, all the steps along with the rough work also. So first question is, Shan's mother spent 480 minutes at her clinic. How many hours does she spend at her clinic? Means the time is given in minutes and you have to change it into hours. We know students that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes are there. Minutes are smaller unit and hours are bigger unit. So whenever we have to convert the smaller units into bigger units, we will divide. And we will divide it with 60 because in 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So let's see the steps, how to write the steps. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 480 minutes make 480 divided by 60. Now the answer is 8 hours. It means 480 minutes are equal to 8 hours. 480 minutes make 8 hours. So let's see. I'll show you the rough work also. The division 480 minutes divided by 60. So 68 are 480. Remainder is 0. The question is 8. So 480 minutes make 8 hours. Is it clear to all of you? When you have to change the minutes into hours, we will divide it by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Let's go to the next question. The next question is question number 2. My favorite TV show is 2100 seconds long. How much time is there in minutes? Means the time is given in seconds and we have to convert it into minutes. The minutes are bigger than seconds. The bigger unit is minute and the second is smaller unit. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So let's start the steps. We will divide it by 60. 60 seconds make 1 minute. The next step, so 2100 seconds make 2100 divided by 60. So our answer is 35 minutes. So how to write the answer? 2100 seconds make 35 minutes. So I'll show you the division of 2100 by 60. 63 are 180. When we will subtract, we will get 30 as a remainder. We will carry this 0 down. It will become 300. 65 are 300. So what do you understand from this question? That 2100 seconds are equal to 35 minutes. 2100 seconds make 35 minutes. Now come to the next question. The next sum is sum number 3. A sadhu on a vow of silence did not speak for 7200 hours. How much time is that in a day? Means time when a sadhu didn't speak, that is 7200 hours. The time is given in hours and we have to convert it into days. In 1 day there are 24 hours. Day is bigger unit. We have to make bigger unit. So divide this number by 24. We will get the answer in days. First step is 24 hours make 1 day. Next step is so 7200 hours make 7200 divided by 24 days. So what is the answer? The answer is 300 days. How to write the answer? We'll write the answer 7200 hours make 300 days. Is it clear? The time is given in hours and we have to convert it into days. So we will divide it by 24. The division, I'll show you how to divide. Here 7,200 divided by 24. 24 3s are 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. So we will carry 1 0 down. Then also it becomes 0. So we'll write in quotient 0. And when we will carry the another number, that is also 0. So answer is 300. So is it clear that 7,200 hours are equal to 300 days? Now come to the next question. Our next question is 3,527 party caps were to be packed in boxes. How many total caps are there? 3,527. If 64 caps were packed in each box, so in one box, how many caps we have to pack? Only 64 caps are coming in one box. How many boxes were used? How many caps were left over? You have to find out that this is the total number of caps. And in one box, we can pack only 64 caps. For packing these caps, how many boxes are needed and how many caps are left over? So let us start with first step. 64 caps were packed in one box. So 3,527 caps were packed in 3,527 divided by 64. So we will come to know that how many boxes are needed. 55 boxes are needed to pack these caps, and how many are leftover caps are 7. So I'll show you which are the leftover caps. Look here, 3,527 when we will divide it with 64. We will consider first three numbers as dividend because first two numbers are 35. 35 is smaller than 64. So we cannot do. We will see first three numbers. 64 5s are 320. So when we subtract, we will get 32. We will carry the 7 down and it will become 327. 64 5s are 320. 327 minus 320 equals 7. So what is the remainder left here? That is the leftover caps. So total 55 boxes are needed. After the packing the caps in 55 boxes, 7 caps are left over. Is it clear to all of you that in one box 64 caps we can pack and total caps are 3,527. So how many boxes are needed to pack these all caps and how many caps are left over, that we have to find out. Now the next sum is 15,408 kilogram wheat was distributed equally among families of a village. So how much is the total quantity of wheat? 15,408. If each family got 36 kilogram of wheat, one family is getting 36 kilogram of wheat and total wheat is 15,408. How many families were there in the village? So we have to find out total how many families are there to distribute these all so that this wheat is distributed completely among that families. If we will give each family 36 kilogram of the wheat. Let us start the sum. The first step is 36 kilogram wheat was distributed to one family. So one family is getting 36 kilogram wheat. And the next step is, so 15,408 kilogram wheat was distributed to 15,408 divided by 36. So in between how many families? That is 428 families. So what we answer is, how we will write it? 15,408 kilogram wheat was distributed among 428 families. Now I'll show you the division. When we divide it by 36, because one family is getting 36 kilogram of wheat. 36 fours are 144. After subtraction, we will get 10. 1 is carried down. It will become 100. 36 twos are 72. 100 minus 72 equal 28. And carry the 8 down. So it will become 288. 36 eights are 288. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 428. So this total 15,408 kilogram wheat was distributed among 428 families. Is it clear to all of you? Now the next sum is 8b in a division sum. The dividend is 17,750 and the quotient is 250. Find the divisor. You have to find the divisor. Dividend is given, quotient is given. You have to find out the divisor. So what is the formula? All of you know, dividend divide by divisor equal quotient. This all of you know. When we are dividing the dividend by divisor, the quotient we are getting. But in this question, quotient is given. We have to find out the divisor. So divisor equal dividend divided by quotient. So when we will divide dividend, here the dividend is 17,750 divide by 250. We will get 71. That is called the divisor. I'll show you the division in the rough work. 17,750 divided by 250. 257 are 1750. When we will subtract, we will get 25 and carry the 0 down. It will become 250. 251 are 250. So the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 71. But here the quotient is already given. So this number is called divisor. All of you have to learn these two formulas. Dividend divide by divisor equal quotient and dividend divide by quotient is equal to divisor. So is it clear to all of you? Come to the next question. The next question is 8C. The product of two number is 26,520. Students, what is product? When we multiply any numbers, the answer is called product. If we will multiply two numbers, the answer we are getting after multiplication, that is called product. If one number is 408, find the other number. One number is given, product is given, you have to find out another number. Let us start. Product of two numbers, 26,520. One number is 408. Let another number equal A. We have supposed that we don't know second number. So let it be A. Now the product of two number equal first number into second number. Our second number is A and the first number is 408. Now we will put the value, and if you have to find out A equal product divided by 408. Now the product is, our product is 26,520. 26,520 divided by 408. Let's see the division. We will get the A equals 65 and A is the another number, means the another number is 65. 26,520, this is product and this is one number and this is another number. Product divide by one number, we will get the another number. Is it clear to all of you? Means product equal first number into second number. First number we know, second number we will find out. We will divide the product by the given number. Let's start the next sum. The next sum is A number when divided by 128 gives 72 as quotient. 128 is divisor, 72 is quotient, and 45 is the remainder. Find the number means in this question you have to find out dividend. Divisor is given, quotient is given, remainder is given, and we have to find out dividend. This formula already we have done when we have done the previous exercise, divide and check. Let's start with the formula. First of all, I'll write what is given. Divisor is given, quotient is given, remainder is given. Now the formula is dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put the values. Divisor is 128, quotient is 72 plus remainder 45. When we will multiply these two numbers and add 45, we will get the dividend. And the dividend is 9,261. I'll show you in the rough work separate multiplication. Look here, 128 multiplied by 72 and we will get 9,216. Then we will add 45. 45 is the remainder. This is divisor and this is quotient and this is remainder. And now what after this calculation, what we will get? 9,261, that is remainder. So clear to all of you? Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here three things are given and we have to find out dividend. We will multiply divisor into quotient, then add the remainder, we will get dividend. Now come to the next question. The next sentence A is find the biggest number of 4 digits divisible by 38. Biggest number of 4 digits. Students, biggest number of 4 digits is 9,999. 9,999, 4 digit biggest number. Divisible by 38. You have to check that this number is divisible by 38. So what is the meaning of divisible? Divisible means when we divide any two numbers, if the remainder is 0, it is called divisible. If remainder is any number, then it is not divisible. The remainder should be 0 for divisibility. Now let us see how we will do it. First of all, we will write the biggest number of 4 digits, 9,999, and is 9,999 divisible by 38? We will divide and check. Division leaves 5 as remainder. When we will divide these two numbers, 5 is left as the remainder. So if the 5 is left as the remainder, so this means that if 9,999 has 5 less, means we will subtract 5 from this number. It will be divisible by 38 because 5 is left as the remainder. If from this number we will reduce 5, we will subtract 5, then we will get the number which is divisible by 38. So let us see which number. 9,999 minus 5 is equal to 9,994. So this number is divisible by 38. Now division you have to show like this. Divide it by 38. 38 2s are 76. But subtract, we will get 23. Carry 9 down. It will become 239. 38 6 is 228. Then we will subtract. 11 is remainder. We will carry this 9 down. It will become 119. And 38 3 is 114. And 5 is remainder. So this number is not divisible by 38. Means biggest 4 digit number is not divisible by 38. It will become divisible only if from this number we will subtract 5 because 5 is remainder. So we will get 9994 is the number, biggest 4-digit number, which is divisible by 38. Is it clear to all of you? Now start with the next question. The next sum, 11th A, find the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 229. Now, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. We have to see sorry, we have to see that 1000 is divisible by 229 or not, or otherwise which number is divisible by smallest 4-digit number. It should be smallest 4-digit number and it should be divisible by 229. So first of all, write the first step. The first step is smallest number of 4-digit is 1000. Is 1000 divisible by 229? We will divide and check. The division leave 84 as remainder. Then we will divide these two number. 84 is left as remainder. So this means that 1000 has 84 less. It will be divisible by 229. So we will subtract 84. 1000 minus 84 and we will get 916. Now 916 is divisible by 229. But students, this is not a 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. We want 4-digit number. So what we will do? But 916 is a 3-digit number. The next number that is divisible by 229 is, we will add 229 into 916. The number after the addition of these two, that is the smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 229. So answer is 1149. Clear to all of you? 84 is left as the remainder. So we subtract it. We will get after subtraction 916. 916 is not a 4-digit number. Smallest also and the 4-digit also. Both the properties are not matching. So we will add in it 229. Means we will add the divisor in it. And then what number we will get? That is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 229. It means 1145 is divisible by 229. Is it clear to all of you? Students, with this your chapter 7C exercise is over, and let's come to some assignment. Your assignment is exercise 7C. We have done exercise 7C. Many questions we have done, and these are the remaining sums which you have to do yourself. Afterward, I will send the solution to check your answers. Now, which question you have to do? Exercise 7C, do following sums in copy. Sum number 6, 7, 8, A part. Means 6A, 7A and 8A. And question number 9, B part. Question 10, B part. And question number 11, only do B part. Only these sums you have to do in your copy, and whatever we have done in the video, that also you have to do in the copy. With this, your all the sums of exercise 7C will be over, and complete your this exercise in the copy. I hope all of you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.